The Rolls-Royce Phantom stands as the ultimate expression of luxury, a masterpiece that embodies elegance, prestige, and unmatched craftsmanship. It is more than just a car, it is a statement of success, a symbol of refinement, and a tribute to the highest standards of automotive excellence. In a grand showroom designed to reflect sophistication, the Phantom commands attention from the moment it comes into view. The soft, ambient lighting highlights every carefully sculpted line, while the polished marble floors reflect its majestic presence. The illuminated display on the wall proudly bears the name Rolls-Royce Phantom, reinforcing its legendary status and heritage. This is not just an automobile, it is an experience that captivates the senses and redefines the concept of luxury. The exterior of the Phantom is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. The instantly recognizable Pantheon grille, polished to perfection, stands as a bold declaration of timeless elegance. Above it, the spirit of ecstasy graces the hood, a symbol of power and grace that has adorned Rolls-Royce models for generations. The paintwork, a result of countless hours of expert application and hand polishing, gleams with unparalleled depth, reflecting the surrounding environment with mirror-like clarity. Every curve, every surface has been designed with purpose, creating a commanding presence that is both understated and undeniably powerful. The proportions are flawless, the elongated wheelbase ensuring a stately silhouette that exudes authority and refinement. With a gentle touch, the iconic coach doors open effortlessly, revealing an interior that is nothing short of a sanctuary. The moment one steps inside, they are enveloped in an atmosphere of absolute tranquility. The aroma of the finest leather fills the air, a signature of Rolls-Royce luxury, each seat upholstered and hand-stitched with precision. The wood veneers, carefully selected from the rarest trees, are polished to a perfect finish, adding warmth and sophistication to the cabin. The soft lambswool carpets beneath the feet provide an indulgent sensation, transforming every journey into an experience of pure comfort. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, ensuring that the Phantom is not just a vehicle but a personal retreat from the world outside. Above, the starlight headliner creates a celestial masterpiece, with hundreds of tiny fiber optic lights woven into the fabric of the roof. This bespoke feature, unique to Rolls-Royce, mimics the beauty of a starry night sky, adding an enchanting ambiance to the interior. The dashboard is a seamless blend of tradition and technology, with modern features elegantly concealed behind handcrafted materials. The infotainment system remains hidden until needed, preserving the purity of the cabin's design while ensuring state-of-the-art functionality at a moment's notice. The attention to detail extends to every aspect of the interior, from the handcrafted metal controls to the bespoke clock set into the dashboard, a subtle yet powerful reminder that time is a luxury best experienced in a Rolls-Royce. The Phantom is not only a work of art but also a marvel of engineering. Beneath its sculpted hood lies a powerful 6.75-liter V12 engine, delivering effortless performance with whisper-quiet refinement. Acceleration is seamless, power is delivered with absolute grace, and the sensation of movement is almost imperceptible. The advanced air suspension system ensures that every ride is nothing short of extraordinary, absorbing imperfections in the road and creating an experience that feels like gliding on air. Whether navigating the busy streets of a metropolis or embarking on a long journey across the open road, the Phantom provides a level of comfort and serenity that no other vehicle can match. For those who prefer to be chauffeured, the rear seats offer an unparalleled level of luxury. Designed for the ultimate passenger experience, they recline at the touch of a button, offering supreme relaxation. Massage functions, individual climate controls, and bespoke amenities transform the rear cabin into a private retreat. The craftsmanship extends to the finest details, from the embroidered headrests to the champagne cooler discreetly hidden within the console. The signature rear hinge doors allow for graceful entry and exit, closing effortlessly with the push of a button. Even the umbrellas concealed within the door panels are a testament to the meticulous thought that goes into every Rolls-Royce, ensuring that every journey is accompanied by effortless luxury. Technology and innovation are seamlessly integrated into the Phantom, enhancing convenience without disrupting the purity of its design. The advanced driver assistance systems provide effortless control, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. The intelligent suspension continuously adapts to the road ahead, while the precise steering and unparalleled ride quality create a driving sensation unlike any other. Every journey is effortless, with the Phantom responding to the driver's inputs with an elegance that defies its size. The soundproofing is so advanced that even at high speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet, allowing passengers to enjoy the serenity of their surroundings. Beyond its unparalleled craftsmanship, the Rolls-Royce Phantom is also a canvas for personal expression. The bespoke program allows owners to customize every aspect of their vehicle, from unique paint colors to handcrafted embroidery and custom veneers. Whether commissioning a one-of-a-kind interior design, adding personalized monograms, or selecting rare materials, each Phantom becomes a reflection of its owner's vision and personality. No two Phantoms are ever alike, ensuring that every vehicle is a masterpiece in its own right. This level of exclusivity elevates ownership beyond mere possession, making it an experience that is deeply personal and truly special. The Phantom is more than just a car, it is a symbol of aspiration and achievement. It does not seek attention, it commands it with a quiet confidence that speaks to those who appreciate the finer things in life. The illuminated wall in the showroom, bearing its name, serves as a reminder of its enduring legacy, a legacy built on the pursuit of perfection and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Those who gaze upon it understand that this is not merely a vehicle but an icon, a masterpiece that stands as a testament to the artistry of Rolls-Royce. Owning a Rolls-Royce Phantom is not just about transportation, it is about embracing a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury. It is about surrounding oneself with the best the world has to offer, from the softest leather to the most advanced engineering. It is about choosing to travel in a way that is effortless, elegant, and exclusive. The Phantom is a statement of sophistication, a declaration that one has arrived, not just at a destination, but at a place in life where compromise is no longer an option. As it stands in the showroom, its polished surfaces reflecting the grandeur of its surroundings, the Rolls-Royce Phantom remains the ultimate expression of luxury. It is a car for those who demand the extraordinary, for those who understand that true elegance is found in the details. It does not follow trends, it sets them. It does not compete, it stands alone. It is not just an automobile, it is a legend, a work of art, and an experience that defines what it means to live without limits. This is Rolls-Royce. This is Phantom.